The Moto Morini Calibro arrives on the market with a new 693cc engine that replaces the 6.5 twin-cylinder engine featured on the motorbike. The Moto Morini Calibro is the first motorbike to be equipped with a new engine from the Trivolzio company. It is a parallel twin-cylinder, but with bigger holes, 83 mm combined with increased power and torque. Declared values are 69 GP at 8,500 revolutions per minute, respectively, and maximum peak torque of 68 nanometers at 1,600 revolutions per minute. The distribution is double overhead camshaft, while the cooling is liquid. The 693cc inline 4-stroke two-cylinder engine is a powertrain that provides driving pleasure and enjoyment and has been revised to improve low and mid-range response. The final belt drive, special characteristics, allows smooth driving, easy maintenance, and improved acoustic comfort. The braking system with 320 mm front disc, 2-piston floating caliper, and 255 mm rear disc and floating caliper and Bosch ABS ensure safety and stability. A sturdy, metallic 15-liter fuel tank and a full LED headlight with a signature lightness make the Moto Morini Calibro brand stand out. Aesthetically, the Calibro offers a modern and less extreme look than some of its competitors, making it very distinctive. Credit is also given to some aesthetic details, such as the round light clusters within which there is a protruding LED crown, which is taken up by the direction indicators, or by the headlight cover, which functions as a kind of mini fairing. Together with its large shouldered and wide section tires, they offer maximum freedom of movement with total safety. The chassis is Moto Morini's hallmark. Precision and control are the two underlying elements of the Calibro. From a technical perspective, the double cradle steel frame encloses and protects the machine. Another distinguishing characteristic is the rims with a tubeless aluminum system, measuring 18 inches at the front and 16 inches at the rear, as well as double shock absorbers at the rear with a classic feel. The low seat is 725 mm from the ground, and the seat, which is removable at the back, has contrast stitching that accentuates its shape, a stylish detail that provides a touch of glamour. The digital display, integrated with analog instrumentation, shows the critical data the rider needs to move freely while always controlling critical information such as fuel level and gear.